In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Wrike on PC. So if you're working late or just prefer a darker interface, here's how to enable dark mode in Wrike on your PC in just a few clicks. So to start, open Wrike in your browser, click on your profile icon at the top left. Now what you can do is to click on Appearance, and in here, you'll see Mode. So hover over Dark and select Dark Mode, or toggle Dark Theme on, and your interface will instantly switch to dark. So some accounts may not have it yet, so you can use a browser extension like Dark Reader or enable dark mode in your browser or Windows settings. So this forces Wrike into dark mode. Now, dark mode availability may depend on your plan or updates. It works best on updated browsers like Chrome or Edge. And that's it. You can now enjoy Wrike in dark mode for a more comfortable and eye-friendly workspace, especially during long work sessions or late night tasks. Now, switching to dark mode not only reduces eye strain, but it can also help you stay focused and make sure your dashboard look cleaner and more modern. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.